We're building a cam lock snare today. You start out by cutting a piece of cable about 4 foot long. Then you come over here and get a single ferrule. This is 5/64 cable, by the way. Get your single ferrule and you get your hammer. And you pound it on. Okay, now what you do is you take a pair of needle nose pliers and see which way the cable's wanting to curl. You take and bend it 90 degrees that way for your cam lock to fit on there. Like so. Take your cam lock, put it on there. Slide it on to the bottom. Slide back through. Put on your twist on snare support. And then get me a track tag. Just get a track tag and put it on right there. Go back through the ferrule. Get you another stop nut or stop, and then crimp this and go back out there where I hammer it. You just crimp this one down. And you're done. Now, you can just pull it back like that, cinch it up.
Go in there, I can't see.
You want, you can do like this. Feed the snare back through and have it around tree. Put it on stake, tighten it up, and then just roll them up and give them a good die. Roll them up like this. Hang them up. Okay, turn it off. Just hit the red button again.